Swagatam, Suswagatam, Namaskar. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, a very warm and delightful evening to one and all. I, Mrs. Sumati Vinayak Yadav, on behalf of the management, principal, staff and the students, welcome you all for this grand, exciting and spectacular 63rd annual day of Vivek Education Society's Vivek Vidyalaya pre-primary and primary section. Today, the stage is not just a platform. It's a canvas where dreams will be painted with passion, talent will shine brighter than ever, and memories will be created to last a lifetime. Get ready to witness an explosion of energy, creativity, and celebration. Kindly stand. I request one and all to stand. Our chief guest and the dignitaries are led by our Principal of Degree College, Mrs. Vijayata Shetty Ma'am, Principal of Secondary Section and Junior College, Mrs. Shija Menon Ma'am, and Headmistress of Pre-Primary and Primary Section, Mrs. Justina Rayappan Ma'am. We welcome you, ma'am. A little light can chase away the darkest night. A little flame can ignite 1,000 dreams bright. Let this lamp shine. Let hope take flight as we kindle together this beacon of light. Let's begin our annual day program with the auspicious lightning of the lamp. May it symbolize the light of knowledge that brightens our paths and hearts. For seeking the choicest blessing, I invite our Principal of Degree College, Mrs. Vijayata Ma'am, Principal of Secondary and Junior College, Mrs. Shija Menon Ma'am, and our own Headmistress, Mrs. Justina Rayappan Ma'am, to accompany our highly regarded Chief Guest, Mrs. Pooja Gaurav Faria Ma'am, our governing council members of Vivek Education Society, to kindle the lamp. I also invite all the dignitaries to join for the same. May the Almighty bless this occasion.
शुभं स्फुरत्वं कल्याणं आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणं आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते दीपज्योतिः परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपज्योतिर्परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपो हरतु मे पापं सन्ध्यादीपनमोऽस्तु ते ओ दीपब्रह्मरूपस्त्वं ज्योतिषां प्रभुरव्ययः ओ दीपब्रह्मरूपस्त्वं ज्योतिषां प्रभुरव्ययः आरोग्यं देहि पुत्रांश्च मतिं स्वच्छां हि मे सदा रवेरस्तं समारभ्य यावत् सूर्योदयो भवेत् रवेरस्तं समारभ्य यावत् सूर्योदयो भवेत् यस्य तिष्ठे गृहे दीपः तस्य नास्ति दरिद्रता शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योति
Thank you all. Request one and all to have your seat. Every dance step, every note of music, every smile you see today is the result of the countless hours of dedication. This isn't just a show, it's the heartbeat of our school, the pride of our teachers, and the joy of our students. So sit back, relax, and let the magic unfold. Let your applause echo through the walls. Let your cheers light up the evening, and let's together make this annual day a memorable one. With hearts full of excitement, let's kickstart this joyful celebration. Are you ready? Let's hear it for Vivek Vidyalaya Pre-Primary and Primary Section 63rd Annual Day 2024. Now let's proceed to the important part of the event. Prayer is the key that unlocks peace and grace in our hearts. It reminds us of the values of humanity, gratitude, and unity. So let us all join our hearts and minds together as we bow in prayer. The students of primary section will lead us in the prayer. I request everyone to stand and maintain a solemn silence.
जगदीश्वरी माता सरस्वती जय जगदीश्वरी माता सरस्वती चरणागत प्रतिपालनहारी चरणागत प्रतिपालनहारी जय जगदीश्वरी माता सरस्वती जगदीश्वरी माता सरस्वती जय जगदीश्वरी जय जगदीश्वरी जय जगदीश्वरी माता सरस्वती.
Please take your seats. Thank you, children, for that serene and heartfelt prayer. May these blessings guide us through today's program and inspire us in all that we do. Trained by Ms. Trupti Salunke, Mrs. Mahalakshmi Vallaraman, Mr. Shiva, and Master Swaraj. May I request our Vice President, Sri Ramchandran Sir, to give a small token of love to the trainers. Thank you, sir. Let's continue with the rest of the celebration with the same spirit of grace and joy. So now, please hold your seat tight as we are proceeding towards action-packed drama and dances, sung by our tiny tots and much, much more. Before that, I would like one and all to look towards the projector board. We are excited to take a look back at the wonderful activities and events our school's pre-primary and primary sections organized throughout 2024. Let's move towards the cultural program. We welcome you with smiles so wide to our annual day where memories reside. We have worked hard to prepare for this special night and we are honored to share it with you shining bright. Our tiny tots of Vivek Vidyalaya Senior KG welcomes you all to our annual day and thank you all for being part of our family. Let's put our hands together for the tiny tots of Senior KG who are going to present a lively, upbeat melody with a mix of Indian and Western musical elements.
हिमाय भूमिः जन्मभूमिः कर्मभूमिः अमुचि महावन्दनीय अति प्राणप्रिय हिमाय मराठी.
Sorry for the glitch. Let's put our hands together for the students of Senior KG to motivate them.
शुभं भवतु कल्याणमायुसारोग्यवर्धनं सर्वदुःखविनाशाय सन्ध्यादीपं नमोऽस्तुते.
नामं जपायनं पुण्यम् नामं जपायनं पुण्यं निरुपमदीपाङ्गुरं पोले स्वरश्रुतिलयवरमतुलं देवाङ्गणं मोक्षसङ्गीतसारं नीडुं वणित्
Wow, what an enchanting performance! The energy, the grace, and the vibrance truly set the tone for today's celebration. Let's give another big round of applause for our talented performers. Vinoda, Mrs. Sangeeta, Mrs. Deepa, Mrs. Jeeva, and Mrs. Ruby. I request our Honorable Secretary, Shri Shashi Verma sir, to give the teachers a small token of love for their efforts as an appreciation. I hope this captivating start has filled your hearts with excitement and anticipation for what's to come, celebrations and memories to cherish. But before we move on to the another program, I request everyone to pay attention towards the projector board.
कर्मभूमि अमुची महावंदनीय अति प्राणप्रिय ही माय मराठी अमुची ही माय भूमी ही जन्मभूमी ही कर्मभूमी अमुची महावंदनीय अति प्राणप्रिय ही माय मराठी अमुची हा अमुचा आहे बाणा ही अमुची आहे बोली अस्मानी झळके भव्य पताका भगव्या हजरी पटक्याची महाराष्ट्र भूमी ही जन्मभूमी ही कर्मभूमी अमुची महावंदनीय अति प्राणप्रिय ही माय मराठी अमुची
अलंकापुरी आज भावावरी वसावारीचा घेतला पावला निया वाळवंटी तुझी सावली गळा भेट घेण्या भीमेची निघाली तुझ्या नाम घोषात इंद्रायणी आसमंती ध्वजा वैष्णवांची उभी पंढरी आज तुझे नाव ओठी तुझे रूप ध्यानी जीवाला तुझी आस गाला गली जरी बाप साऱ्या जगाचा परी तू आम्हाला करांची तू मावली
What a divine and soul-stirring performance that was. The rhythmic steps, the devotion, and the vibrant expression transported us to the holy town of Pandharpur, right into the presence of Lord Vittal. Indeed, The beauty of this Marathi dance reminded us of the timeless devotion of the Varkaris and their unwavering faith in Lord Vittal. Let's give big hand to our incredible performers for bringing this tradition to life so beautifully. This dance was choreographed by Mrs. Kavita, Mrs. Saloni, Mrs. Nancy, Mrs. Anita, Mrs. Revati and Mrs. Archana. I request our treasurer, Shri Krishnamurthy sir, to appreciate them by giving a small token of love. Reverence and let the vibration of these sacred words elevate our minds and spirits.
परमात्मने नमः अथ पञ्चमोऽध्यायः कर्मसन्न्यासयोगः अर्जुन उवाच सन्न्यासं कर्मणां कृष्ण पुनर्योगं च संससि यच्छ्रेय एतयोरेकं तन्मे ब्रूहि सुनिश्चितम् श्रीभगवानुवाच सन्न्यासः कर्मयोगश्च निःश्रेयसकरावुभौ तयोस्तु कर्मसन्न्यासात् कर्मयोगो विशिष्यते ज्ञेयः स नित्यसन्न्यासी यो न द्वेष्टि न काङ्क्षति निर्द्वन्द्वो हि महाबाहो सुखं बन्धात् प्रमुच्यते सांख्ययोगौ पृथग् बालाः प्रवदन्ति न पण्डिताः एकमप्यास्थितः सम्यक् उभयोर्विन्दते फलम् यत्साङ्ख्यैः प्राप्यते स्थानं तद्योगैरपि गम्यते एकं सांख्यं च योगं च यः पश्यति स पश्यति सन्न्यासस्तु महाबाहो दुःखमाप्तुमयोगतः योगयुक्तो मुनिर्ब्रह्म न चिरेणाधिगच्छति योगयुक्तो विशुद्धात्मा विजितात्मा जितेन्द्रियः सर्वभूतात्मा भूतात्मा कुर्वन्नपि न लिप्यते नैव किञ्चित् करोमेति युक्तो मन्येत तत्त्ववित् पश्यन् शृण्वन् स्पृशन् जिघ्रन् अश्नन् गच्छन् स्वपन् श्वसन् प्रलपन् विसृजन् गृह्णन् उन्मिषन् निमिषन्नपि इन्द्रियाणीन्द्रियार्थेषु वर्तन्त इति धारयन् ब्रह्मण्यादाय कर्माणि सङ्गं त्यक्त्वा करोति यः लिप्यते न स पापेन पद्मपत्रमिवाम्बसा हरि ओम्.
Thank you, Rishi, for that beautiful and serene chanting. I also request parents not to take videography or photography, as the link has been shared in the class group. YouTube live link has been shared in the class group, and you will get the photographs later. So please abide to the rules. No videographs, no photographs. Please come to the stage. A genuine welcome can turn a simple event into a memorable celebration. To officially extend our welcome and share a few words of inspiration, I now invite our Honorable Secretary Sri Shashi Verma sir to the dais for the welcome address. Please give a warm round of applause.
Good evening, everybody. Respected Honorable Chief Guest for the evening, Pooja Faria. Respected Principal of Degree College, Dr. Vijayta Shetty. Respected Principal for Higher Secondary, Shija Madam. Principal for NHM for Primary Section, Justina Madam. Principal for, Vice Principal and in charge, Sangeeta Madam is there. We have got members from the committee on the dais and PTA member is also present there. There are members on the dais and off the dais from the committee. Parents, invitees, we welcome you all for this function, especially the kids. Now, this function, as you know, is basically an annual day for the kids. So I won't take much of time, because basically all the kids must be waiting, must be hungry also. From 4 o'clock they are here in school. Now I have been entrusted with the task of introducing the chief guest for the evening. As you may be aware, today's chief guest for the evening is the right person. We have got Pooja Gaurav Faria. She is, as you see, a head of the institution, specializing in kids. Handling the pre-primary and primary section. And she's the right person for the occasion, because she can guide us what is to be done with this, how to deal with the small kids. And all of you know, the kids, the little ones, छोटे छोटे बच्चे जो हैं, they are the foundation. यहीं से उनका सब स्कूल का कैरियर चालू होता है. तो I will mix up Hindi and English both, okay? Sorry, मैं पूरा हिंदी में नहीं बोल पाऊँगा, okay? So basically, आपके जो बच्चे यहाँ आते हैं, आप देखोगे कि उनके लिए जो सुविधाएं दिए हुए हैं, all facilities are given. तो ये एक 4-5 बरस जो रहता है, 5 years प्राइमरी का, टीचर्स के ऊपर भी एक बड़ा रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी रहता है. एंड हमारे टीचर्स जो है, our teachers are doing a very good job, headed by the principal, headmistress Justina Madam. Our teachers are really doing a good work, because this is a case, situation where the foundation has to be laid for the kids, and they are doing that. Because आगे चल के फिर 5वीं, 7वीं, 10वीं, and आप लोग सब जानते हो, Vivek, I will deal with that later on. First of all, so as I was telling, she will guide us how to deal with the kids. If you see the profile of the guest for the day, I like the philosophy, her life philosophy. She is writing here, never underestimate the big importance of small things. Okay, that is the life philosophy of Pooja, the chief guest for the day. She is writing, never underestimate the big importance of small things. That means छोटी छोटी चीजें भी बहुत important मायने रखती है. That means it's very important. Small things in life is also very important, and you have to deal with that also. Don't ignore small things. So at the lowest levels you have to train the kids and make them well. As I said, she is head of the section and of Pune Vidya Bhavan, Ghatkopar. It's a pre-primary English medium school, and she is dealing with tiny tots, primary and pre-primary students, and she has been interested with the task of guiding the students, teachers, and of course a big support to the management of the institute. And as she writes, she has responsibilities for curriculum development and students' welfare, fostering conducive learning environment. So whatever is required for the field of education at the basic level, she is well versed with that. So we have got the right, again I'm telling, we have got the right person for the evening to address the audience. She has, from her profile I can see, she has done diploma in Montessori, diploma in early child education. She has worked at the basic levels as an assistant teacher, and she has been, to be very frank, she has been working as an assistant teacher, then head of the primary section, and she has been awarded Guru Dronacharya Puraskar also by the ward levels. So she is well versed with this in the educational field and got a lot of knowledge about this Montessori and the primary and pre-primary section. So welcome you, madam, for the occasion, and we expect you can guide our teachers in that respect. If there is anything to be improved upon, we can do that. Now coming to our institution, that is, when I say our institution, means parents, you are part of this institution, students, management, teachers, everybody is part of this institution. Vivek, we call it as Vivek family. Okay, we call ourselves as a Vivek family. आप लोग भी सब, पेरेंट्स भी सब विवेक फैमिली के ही पार्ट हो. एक बार आप स्कूल में आ जाते हो, सब लोग हमारे फैमिली के पार्ट हो जाते हैं, विवेक फैमिली. ओके, सो बेसिकली you must be knowing Vivek is an educational institution for last 62 years. 62 years. आप देखोगे, we are having I think 63rd this thing, so 62 years, and we are right from nursery to PhD, even doctorate we can do. आपका बच्चा एक बार स्कूल में आ जाए, तो नर्सरी में आ जाए, तो कॉमर्स करना है तो डॉक्टरेट तक कर सकते हैं. मतलब प्राइमरी, सेकेंडरी, हायर सेकेंडरी, डिग्री, डॉक्टरेट भी कर सकते हैं. तो ये एक इंस्टीट्यूशन है जहाँ सब कुछ हो सकता है स्टडीज़ के बारे में अप टू दैट लेवल. बच्चों को फिर, अब पेरेंट्स को फिर टेंशन लेने की ज़रूरत नहीं. ऐसे भी पेरेंट्स टेंशन मत लिया करो बच्चों के बारे में, बच्चे पढ़ लेते हैं, अपने आप सब पढ़ लेते हैं. ओके, सो विवेक इज़ एन इंस्टीट्यूशन, as you all know, 62 years old. Of course 62 years is not a big age. Human beings, when you say बोलेंगे तो 62 years means old age, senior citizen हो जाता है. But school colleges में 62 years senior citizen नहीं होता है, basically, because that is a young age for an institution. Institutions are 100 years, 150 years. For example, Mumbai University is 150 years old. So वैसे होता है. School college में 50-60 years is not an age. Okay, that is for only individuals. When we say 60 हो तो old age है, senior citizen है, वैसा नहीं होता है. Okay, so ours is a young institution, 62-year-old young institution. Okay, and we cater to the, in all, I mean, as far as from the primary to the degree sections. As I was telling, आप लोगों को पता होगा, we have recently got an ISO certification also. Okay, our institute is ISO certified institution, foreignly certified institution, जहाँ the quality is recognized. Okay, quality of education is recognized by a foreign body. They have recognized the teaching pattern and everything, सब कुछ recognize किया है. आप देखोगे board है, certification का board है. Okay, so we are trying to improve upon our system of education. Slowly पेरेंट्स कैन ऑल्सो कंट्रीब्यूट, जो भी है एडिशन करना है वो करते रहेंगे. एंड वन ऑफ द आई वुड ऑलवेज से, एज आई ऑलवेज से दैट वंस यू आर अटैच टू दिस विवेक, सेकेंड जनरेशन भी यहाँ पढ़ती है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल वी हैड सम टीचर्स, उसके बच्चे लड़के, उसके पोते पोतियाँ यहीं पढ़ते हैं. दैट्स एन अचीवमेंट, दैट इटसेल्फ इज ए बिग थिंग. एक टीचर है, उसका बच्चा, उसका पोता पोती यहीं पढ़ते, दैट्स ए वेरी बिग थिंग. दैट मीन्स टीचर को पता है कि जब टीचर थी उन्होंने क्या दिया है और उनके बच्चे को भी इधर ही डाला है, यहाँ से निकाल के दूसरे स्कूल में नहीं ले गए. दैट इज ए, according to me, it shows how good the institution is. Reverse भी है. I have got, I mean, I will not name the thing. I have got reverse case also, जहाँ हमारे एक प्रोफेसर है आज के दिन में हमारे कॉलेज में, डिग्री कॉलेज में प्रोफेसर है. ओके, वो प्रोफेसर थोड़े साल पहले यहाँ पर केजी क्लास नर्सरी में यहाँ फंक्शन किया हुआ है. ओके, वो नर्सरी में यहाँ पढ़े हैं, आज डॉक्टरेट है. और द इंटरेस्टिंग पार्ट इज वो प्रोफेसर की बच्ची भी आज डांस कर रही थी. ओके, सो दैट इज अ बिग थिंग. दैट मीन्स आज वो नर्सरी में यहाँ पढ़ के कॉलेज में प्रोफेसर है, बट उनकी बच्ची भी यहाँ है. व्हाट आई मीन टू से इज एक लगाव हो जाता है इंस्टीट्यूशंस, बिकॉज दे कम टू नो व्हाट इज द इंस्टीट्यूशन एंड व्हाट इज द ट्रेनिंग वी गेट. सो बेसिकली व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से is Vivek caters to everybody. and हमारे यहाँ एक मोटो है, मोटो in the sense we believe in all round development of the child. That's very important. all round. बच्चों को पढ़ाई, सिर्फ पढ़ाई नहीं, पढ़ाई तो करना है, बुक की पढ़ाई करनी है, मगर ऑल राउंड डेवलपमेंट, बच्चों को सब चीज़ों में एक्टिव पार्ट लेना चाहिए. वो स्पोर्ट्स हो, डांस हो, म्यूज़िक हो, जो भी करना है, डिबेट हो, इलोकेशन कंपटीशन हो, जो भी करना है, सब में भाग लेने के लिए हमारी टीचर्स उनको एनकरेज करेंगे. एंड वी सी दैट दे डू ऑल दीज थिंग्स एंड कम अप इन लाइफ, बिकॉज इट्स ए एजुकेशन इज नॉट ओनली बुक्स, इट हैज़ टू बी ऑल राउंड डेवलपमेंट ऑफ द चाइल्ड. मेंटल डेवलपमेंट जो होता है, एंड वो पहले 5-6 बरस में सब कुछ हो जाता है. बच्चे का डेवलपमेंट, माइंड डेवलपमेंट 5-6 बरस में हो जाता है. वी ट्राई टू एनकरेज ऑल चिल्ड्रन टू टेक पार्ट इन डिफरेंट फंक्शंस. सो दिस इज द बैकग्राउंड ऑफ द इंस्टीट्यूशन. एंड विद दिस आई once again welcome the chief guest, and thank you very much for bearing with me. I won't make it very long because parents are eagerly waiting to see their kids perform on this stage. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for those kind and inspiring words. Your guidance always lights the way for us. Without you and the support of the management, all this would not have been possible. Thank you, sirs, a lot. Flowers are the true embodiment of divine warmth, innocence, and peace. They reflect tender human feelings and emotions and are a unique expressions of joy that the beauty radiates. I request Mrs. Justina Rayappan ma'am, headmistress of pre-primary and primary section, to present a bouquet as a token of respect and love to our chief guest, Mrs. Pooja Gaurav Faria ma'am, head of Vidya Bhavan English Medium School, Ghatkopar. Head boy, Master Patil Pranav, and head girl, Ms. Samaira Sheikh, to hand over the bouquet to Justina ma'am. I request our worthy chief guest to accept the bouquet as a token of our delight and respect. We owe to you for being a significant part of the occasion, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. On behalf of the headmistress, the teachers, the parents, and the students of the pre-primary and the primary section, I would like to thank the governing council members of the Vivek Education Society, without whom event like this would not have been possible. I request our assistant head boy, Master Ahil Malik, and assistant head girl, Ms. Anshika Shukla, to be the tray bearer. Now I call upon Mrs. Pravin Cyril to honor our most experienced personality and the fatherly figure of our institution, Vice President of Vivek Education Society, Shri Ramchandran sir. I request Mrs. Sarojini Sittarasu to honor our Honorable Secretary, Sri Shashi Verma sir. Now I call upon Mrs. Pushpaja Balakrishnan to honor our Treasurer, Sri Krishnamurthy sir. I request Mrs. Lata teacher to welcome Principal of Degree College, Srimati Vijayata Shetty ma'am. Mrs. Rupali to step forward to welcome our Principal of Secondary and Junior College, Mrs. Shija Menon ma'am. I call upon Mrs. Saloni Pitle to give token of love to our pre-primary supervisor, Mrs. Sangeeta Nair. Parents, big round of applause for them. Mrs. Neha Robert to come forward and honor PTA Vice President, Mrs. Ananda Jyoti. Thank you. Now I request Mrs. Suman More to welcome our Joint Secretary S. Krishnan sir, who is among us over there. Our Joint Secretary S. Krishnan sir. Mrs. Sandhya Singh to welcome Mr. Srinivasan sir, our governing council member. Mrs. Jessica Gonsalves to come forward to welcome our governing council member, Mr. Kannan sir. Mrs. Trupti Gohil to step forward to welcome our Vice Principal of Junior College, Mrs. Sindhu ma'am. Clap for them, parents. It's impossible to forget the contributions of our retired staff. I request Mrs. Vinoda Bangar to welcome our ex-headmistress of pre-primary and primary section, our own Mrs. Geeta Rao ma'am. I request Mrs. Jiva to welcome our loving nanny teacher. Mrs. Carol Demalo to step forward to welcome our loving Mama Balakrishna uncle. Balakrishna uncle to come forward. Thank you all for rendering your valuable time and gracing this occasion. We have seen a year full of progress, challenges, and remarkable accomplishment, all of which have been made possible by the dedication and hard work of everyone involved. As part of today's gathering, we are here to present and review our annual report, which highlights the key milestones and developments that have shaped our school's journey. At this moment, I would like to invite our expected headmistress, Mrs. Justina Rayappan ma'am, to kindly come forward and present the annual report. Her leadership and vision have been pivotal in guiding us through another successful year, and we are eager to hear her reflections on the progress we have made and the path ahead. The floor is yours, ma'am.
Thank you, Sumati teacher. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I extend a warm and hearty welcome to one and all on this 63rd annual day function of pre-primary and primary section. Respected chief guest, Mrs. Pooja Gaurav Faria, our Vice President, Shri Ramchandran sir, Honorable Secretary, Mr. Shashi Verma sir, Treasurer Krishnamurthy sir, and all the other governing council members of Vivek Education Society, Principal of Degree College, Dr. Vijeta Shetty ma'am, Principal of Secondary and Junior College, Mrs. Shija Menon, Secretary of the Parent Teacher Association of Primary Section, Mrs. Jyoti Anand, and my colleague, Supervisor of Pre-Primary, Sangeeta, parents, teaching and non-teaching staff, all invited guests, retired teachers, and my dear little children. I am highly privileged to read out the annual report of the year 2024 and brief you the achievements of our students and our staff. The annual report showcases the achievements and glories of our school, but also makes us think deeply about our shortcomings. We have always been committed to create an environment in the school which helps the young minds to blossom and provide a platform for individual thinking and holistic development of the child's personality. We have committed teachers and dedicated supporting staff to help the children to reach their potential, and we are successful in catering 800 students in the primary section and 400 students in the pre-primary section. As a part of enrichment program, various workshops and seminars are organized throughout the year for the overall development and enhancement of skills in teachers and students. The child's academic performance is measured in a series of formative and summative examinations with a lot of emphasis on learning through doing, to promote the competitive spirit and to bring out the talent in the students. They are encouraged to participate in various co-curricular activities and competitions like singing, recitation, storytelling, one-act play, quiz competition, elocution, etc. Sports games and physical fitness occupy a place of importance in our curriculum. Regular PTMs are conducted throughout the year. It offered a great platform to both parents and teachers to share insight and information for the development of the children as well as the institution. To start with, our school, our institution, Vivek Vidyalaya and Junior College, ranked number 1 in Mumbai and number 2 in Maharashtra for category India's top 10 state board schools, conducted by Education Today. And this is the 6th consecutive year we have got this prize. We also achieved the ISO Surveillance 1 by TUV Austria. Proceeding towards the activities conducted in the pre-primary section, we celebrated important dates like Grandparents' Day, Janmashtami, Raksha Bandhan, Ganesh Festival, Teachers' Day, Diwali and Christmas. Children actively participated and enjoyed the program. They also went for a day's picnic to Saina Resort and enjoyed to the fullest. Moving towards primary section, we celebrated Environmental Day, Tilak Punyatithi, Guru Purnima, Teachers' Day, Children's Day, National Education Day with gesture and veneration. Independence Day, Republic Day, Preamble Day were celebrated with great reverence and fervor. International Yoga Day was celebrated on the 21st of June with various yoga activities. The importance of yoga in today's life was re-emphasized during the program. Children also participated in various competitions held like Mayor's Drawing Competition, Navneet and Camlin Drawing Competition, Mani Bhavan Competition, ACS Fest, and Peace South Ward level inter-school competitions, and have brought laurels to our institution by doing their best. I am glad to announce that Master Rishi Nair, he won the second prize in area level Gita chanting competition. He deserves a bigger round of applause, children. Parents. Our parents, I'm used to saying children, so please bear with me. Our parents, Mrs. Pramila Renose, she also won the third prize in area level Gita chanting competition. Proceeding towards the sports category, our student, Master Daksh Suvarna and Miss Ananya Yadav won gold medal in the 10th state level Kung Fu Championship, Mumbai. Miss Pranali Pandurang Wagmode, she won the third place in individual Kumite Kata and team Kumite. Master Aryan M. Kules secured first place in Karate Kumite, Kata and team Kumite held at Malad in the 8th state level Karate Championship. Not only academically, but my students also actively involved themselves for the noble cause. For Global Cancer Foundation, students of Standard 3rd were able to collect rupees 81,417 rupees towards the cancer patients for their treatment. Amount has been forwarded to Tata Memorial Hospital. Students of Standard 4th, they collected rupees 86,034 towards National Association of Disabled Enterprises. Our students also contributed an amount of rupees 40,000 towards the Soldiers Fund. Thank you, parents, for encouraging our students to collect this amount. Teachers are also a forever learner. To prove this saying, my teachers too participated in the inter-school ward level competitions conducted by MCGM and have won prize. Mrs. Mahalakshmi Vallaraman, she won a prize in the teaching aid competition. And my teachers, Mrs. Sandhya Singh, Mrs. Bharti Sharma, Mrs. Sumati Yadav, Miss Manju, Mrs. Kenslin, Mrs. Trupti, Miss Durga, and Mrs. Saloni, they participated in the patriotic dance competition and they won a prize. None of these achievements would have been possible without the single-minded commitment and dedicated care of my teachers. We are also constantly encouraged by parents and well-wishers who have shown much confidence and given their fullest support. I wish to acknowledge the efforts and guidance of our management as their contribution have made a difference. We are aiming to do our best and have adopted various measures to achieve our goal. With this, I end my report. I wish one and all a Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year 2025. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for your insightful reflections and for sharing the highlights of our institution's progress over the past year. Ma'am, your leadership continues to inspire and guide us towards greater success for the coming years too. We are honored to have with us a very special guest, our chief guest for today, Mrs. Pooja Gaurav Faria, head of Vidya Bhavan, Ghatkopar. We are truly privileged to have you here to share your wisdom and insights with us. Her inspiring leadership and experience make her the perfect person to guide us as we reflect on our journey and envision the path forward. I now invite Mrs. Pooja Gaurav Faria ma'am to kindly come forward and deliver the keynote speech. Please join me in welcoming her with a big round of applause.
Good evening everyone. Will not take much time. I know you all are waiting for the main event. It is an honor and a privilege to be here as a chief guest for this wonderful occasion. Being surrounded by the vibrant energy of young learners and their enthusiastic parents is truly heartwarming. Respected dignitaries on the dais, teachers, parents, today is a special day where we come together to celebrate the achievements and talents of our children. Events like this are a testament to hard work, dedication, and nurturing environment created by the school. In the pre-primary and primary years, children are like saplings, delicate, full of potential, and eager to grow. These formative years play a critical role in shaping their personalities, values, and aspirations. School like Vivek Vidyalaya act as the perfect garden, providing the right balance of care, discipline, and encouragement. To our young performers, today is your day to shine. The stage is a magical place where confidence is built and dreams take their first step. Whether you are dancing, singing, acting, or just being the part of an audience, remember that every moment is an opportunity to learn and grow. To the parents, your support and involvement are invaluable. A child's success is always the result of a partnership between school and home. Let us continue to work together to provide these children with the best foundation of their future. To the teachers and staff, your dedication and efforts behind the scene make all of this possible. You are the guiding stars in this young mind's journey. Thank you for being the torch bearers of knowledge and values. As I look around, I see the bright future of our society, these children. Let us pledge to nurture their curiosity, creativity, and kindness. Let us teach them not only academics but also compassion and resilience. I am excited to witness the wonderful performances lined up for today and celebrate the achievements of these young stars. I am confident that this evening will leave us all with lasting memories. Thank you once again for giving me this opportunity to be the part of such a joyful occasion. Wishing you all a delightful evening ahead. Thank you.
Thank you, Pooja ma'am, for your inspiring and thought-provoking words. Your insights have given us all much to reflect upon as we continue to move forward with purpose and dedication. We are truly grateful for your presence and the wisdom you have shared with us today. On behalf of everyone here, I would like to express a heartfelt appreciation for taking the time to be with us and for addressing this gathering. Thank you, ma'am. Moving further, now I invite Mrs. Ananda Jyoti to speak a few words on her personal experience with our school as an ex-VVN, as a parent, and as a PTA Vice President. Mrs. Ananda Jyoti to come forward and share her thoughts on our school.
Good evening one and all. Present over here, myself Ananda Jyoti Anthony,
and I am a PTA member of 3rd B and a Vice President of PTA. I welcome you all on the 63rd Annual Day function of Pre-Primary and Primary Section. Respected Chief Guest, Ms. Pooja Gaurav Faria, Vice President of Vivek Education Society K. Ramachandran Sir, Honorable Secretary Shashi Verma Sir, Treasurer Krishnamurthy Sir, and all other Governing Council member of Vivek Education Society, Principal of Degree College Dr. Vijeta Shetty, Principal of Secondary and Junior College Ms. Shrija Menon, Principal of Pre-Primary and Primary Ms. Justina Rayappan, Supervisor of Pre-Primary Section Mrs. Sangeeta Nair. It is an incredible honor for me to stand before you today, not only as a proud parent but also as an alumni of this esteemed institution. This occasion feels like a heartwarming homecoming as I revisit cherished memories and witness the school continuing its legacy of excellence. As a student, this school has always been close to my heart. It was within these walls that I learned not only lessons from the textbooks but also values that have shaped me into the person I am today. Returning here now as a parent fills me with nostalgic and immense gratitude. Today, I see the same energy and vibrance in these students that once we shared. I see how much this institution has grown over the years, introducing new opportunities, embracing innovation. It's a testament to the visionary leadership of the school and the unwavering dedication of its teachers and staff. As a parent, I feel incredibly fortunate that my child is a part of this legacy. It's joy to see how the school not only focuses on academic excellence but also in non-academic excellence, also nurtures creativity and emotional intelligence and leadership qualities. The efforts of the teachers to bring out the best in each child are nothing short of remarkable. To the students, let me share something from my time. Cherish these moments, make the most of every opportunity. On behalf of all the parents, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to the school management for the unwavering support and visionary guidance. Parents, together, let us support and encourage them just as the school supports our child's dreams. Finally, to the teachers and the leadership of the school, I extend my heartfelt gratitude. Your passion and dedication are what makes this institution so special. Thank you for creating an environment where students can thrive and where alumni like me feel proud to return. As we celebrate this annual day, let us recognize and applaud the collective effort of everyone who makes this institution what it is. Let us look forward to a bright future of our children and continue to build on the rich legacy of this wonderful school. Thank you, and let's all enjoy the celebration and make this event a memorable one. Thank you.